If the Cash App website keeps popping up on your Android phone instead of the app, don't worry, we will show you simple fixes that can help solve the problem. The first thing that you should do is make sure you are connected to a reliable internet connection. If you are currently using mobile data, you might want to try switching to a stable Wi-Fi. Or if you're using a mobile Wi-Fi, you can switch to mobile data instead. So you have to switch between the two because a weak or unstable internet connection can sometimes cause Cash App to redirect to the website or fail to load properly. After switching your connection, open Cash App again and check if the issue has been resolved. Now, if the problem continues, try clearing the Cash App cache. The steps may vary depending on your Android phone, but generally you can open settings, tap the apps or app management or app list, find and select Cash App, find tap storage, then tap clear cache. If that doesn't fix the issue, you can also clear the app's data if you're comfortable signing back into your account afterward. After clearing the cache or data, restart your mobile phone and open Cash App again to see if the issue is fixed. Now, thing is, if you tried both of these steps and the Cash App website still keeps popping up, your best option is to contact Cash App support. Explain the issue you are experiencing and they can check whether it's related to your account or a technical problem on their end. And basically, that's it for today's video on how you can fix the Cash App website keeps popping up issue on Android. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel and we will see you again in the next video.